Hi guys, I'm back on my wheel today to do a tiny little video for you, which a lot of you guys requested after I threw my galleried teapots. So the gallery flip teapot, this is one of them. I hope you can see that. And I threw the lid as well. And I'm just going to show you how I throw a knob on top of the lid, which is kind of one of the last stages of throwing before I go over to constructing. So this is a very small amount of clay. My lid has already been trimmed, so I wait for it to dry to level hard and pop off the bat. I've attached it to my wheel just by wetting the rim, by moving it around a little bit so it kind of gets a purchase, and centering it, which actually isn't quite centered, so I'm going to just adjust it here. Just centering it by eye. I'm not a tap centerer, just find that I can do it better by eye. So yeah, that's centered now. I'll give it a little tap. Now, the key to attaching a little knob like this is try and use as little water as possible, because you don't want to get this lid very wet. You want to try and reduce the amount of water that you've got going on, because otherwise that can cause issues. So I'm going to get just a really small amount of clay. I mean, the amount you use will depend on the size of your lid and the size of your teapot, because it's got to be in a good ratio to that, and it's got to look nice. So that's kind of a design decision, up to you how much you actually use. I don't know, this is probably like 10 grams of clay. Then I'm just going to use this scoring tool just to score a little area in the middle, just to help it adhere. I'm going to put a tiny little bit of water on there, not too much, because otherwise this will just spin around and not stick. Just enough to give it a little bit of a bit of stick. I'm going to roughly plop that on there and give it a little stick down. And all of this is going to be done with like my fingertips. So then I just wet my fingers, and I just want kind of this part, the knob bit, really to get most of the water. And then I'm just going to throw a very, very tiny knob. So concentrate on the bit where it's attached to the lid to begin with, to give it a nice, strong attachment. Then I'm just going to shape this part here. So I might just kind of do a little mini cone up like this. And then I'm going to cone down, just using my fingertips. So I've got my left fingers around the side of the knob, and then my right index finger I'm pushing down, and I want to kind of like button knob shape, if that makes sense, because I quite like it when the glaze gets captured in the top there. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. You don't want to overwork it, because we all know when you just keep going at something, often that just doesn't make it better. You've got to know when to stop. And then I'm going to release it just by gently holding it and turning the wheel. And that is my thrown knob on my lid. And I'm going to grab my teapot so you can see what it looks like in the teapot. And that's probably a good idea to do as well, is to just check what it looks like when it's in the teapot. So here you go. That looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Pretty well balanced. And you can see that my lid fits really well. Hopefully you can see that. And yeah, that's just how I throw a knob on my lids. What I'm going to do now though is I'm going to dry this really carefully. So I actually made the mistake of putting the lid in there because it's actually really snug, and I'm going to struggle to get that out without marking it, but I'll like flip it upside down and gently get it out. But I'm going to lightly cover that with plastic and then put it in a box like one of those over there, and dry it out really slowly so that this part and the main body of the lid, the moisture evens out, so to avoid any S cracks, because the normal place you're going to get an S crack with a thrown lid is around the top or underneath, so you want to avoid that, and you want to do that by drying out everything very, very slowly. Yeah, hope that helps. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.